What's up YouTube? This is All Things Quick. I'm gonna jump straight into this video because I'm already running about half an hour late. Today we're going to Toronto, about 2 hours away. I'm gonna go pick up a mystery car. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what it is yet, but I got my baby stuff in here. I gotta go drop off my little girl at my mom's house and she's gonna go see grandma, and we gotta go to U-Haul and go get a trailer. Like I said, I'm already late and I just need to get going. And here we go, off for a nice 2-hour trip there, 2-hour trip back. All right, so now I'm even more behind because I just dropped off my baby girl, but bless my mother for watching my girl. And now we're going to U-Haul, go get ourselves a trailer. Just going to back up to a trailer over there. Just gonna go grab one of those guys. Just got this trailer here. Now we're on our way to Toronto to go get another car. And here we go. Sometimes I ask myself why I keep doing this, because it's a lot of work. But I mean, you know, once you're done the build, it pays off. Just jumping on the 401. I'm gonna go grab some gas real quick. Got about half a tank, but I'm gonna top it up and grab myself a coffee. Thank God we don't have to do flipping premium, man. 155, that's nuts. There we go, getting some gas. 57 bucks, that's not too bad. All right, so I'm back on the highway. I just pulled off in Ingersoll because I wasn't able to get a coffee at the last gas station. So just stopping here at Tim Hortons quick, grab a coffee, and then jump back to the 401. I just got myself a coffee and a bagel. Now we're just heading back onto the 401 and going straight to Toronto. No more stopping. Yo, just take this in for a second, man. Look how clear the road is. There's nobody out here. I guess I should probably buy and sell cars on lockdown more often because this is making for super easy transportation. Well, I just got pulled over and I literally have no idea why. No idea why. So you can see here, I don't have any plates on my, I got pulled over here and there's no plates on this U-Haul here. And so like I had no idea, and I'm driving on the highway and I got pulled over, but this is a problem to me. U-Haul should have had their stuff in order, but I guess they didn't. So as you saw, I just got pulled over because U-Haul didn't give me a license plate on my trailer, which is flipping crazy. I don't know why they wouldn't do that. Like, they should be inspecting their vehicles before they rent them out. But shout out to the nicest cop in the world who didn't ask me anything about essential travel or where I was going or what I was doing. He just said, hey, you don't have a plate on your trailer? That was it. That's all he said. He gave me a warning for not having an updated insurance slip, which is fine because I knew that. And he gave me a warning for not having plates on the trailer, but I'm gonna take this to U-Haul, get them to figure this out. Said I can go on my way now and just get to where I'm getting and then get home, tell them about it later. So shout out to the nicest cop ever, man. Appreciate it. We're about 20 minutes out, just under 20 minutes away from this place. All right, we just showed up on the street where this mystery car is. Just past the stop sign here. We'll be getting it soon, very, very soon. Just showed up here at this house. I'm just gonna put these ramps down and then be able to get our car soon.
Yeah, okay.
You can count that. Sounds good? All right, appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, man. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure, man.
Likewise.
And thanks for the car. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right, just got the car. Now we're on our way out here. It's just good practice. Stomp on the brakes and tighten these before you're traveling. Look at these red buses. That's a strange thing. What's that about? We don't have that in our city. This is literally the definition of what Toronto is all about, is construction. Always filled with construction everywhere. Okay. Just got back to my mom's place here. She's already got the gate open for me and everything. So I'm gonna pull this car in here. Alright guys, so we just got back. I just parked this car here, so now I got two E46s. I have yet to decide which car I'm actually going to use. I have to remove the engine and the transmission from both of these cars. The 3-liter from this car has to come out because that's the motor I'm using to build, and the S5D transmission has to come out of this car to be able to use the 5-speed manual for the 3-liter motor. So that's the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, because this is a whole series and this is only episode 3, so you'll be able to stay up to date with all of the stuff that we're doing, rebuilding this motor, turbocharging the motor, we're doing all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments what you think of all this stuff. Definitely give this video a like. If you haven't checked out our Discord channel, just know that we do have a Discord server. It's a very user-friendly server with people that know how to build motors, know how to fix cars, and people that genuinely just want to know how to do stuff for themselves. So link in the description, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later.